Hey guys, welcome back to my how to build a Discord bot tutorial. This is beginner tutorial with step-by-step instructions, and at the end of this episode you will end up with this. Now you may notice that if I send this help command, it's going to by default show this horrible looking help command. We want to generate something fancy, so that's what we're going to do now. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to do bot.remove command help, and then make sure this is completely in line with the back, otherwise it won't work properly. And then we're going to make a new command, so we're going to do bot.. Sorry, I had to go for a second, but you're going to want to type bot.command. Okay, well, I gotta go again. Sorry, I had to go yet again, but you only want to type bot.command, and then async def help. Put ctx, and you're also going to want another parameter, which will be page. Then put right. So now we're going to make our pages. So type def p1. This will be the first page. So we're going to make an embed. Remember how we did it last time? Embed equals discord dot embed title, and this time we're not setting a dynamic one, we're just going to set one essential commands. So this will be where we put all our essential commands, like this help command, and then just put 2 underscores on either side, so 4 in total, and that will make it underlined. It will automatically be bold, so don't worry about that. And then put embed.add field, name equals help, and value equals sends this. Sweet. So now what we're actually going to do is turn this command, this embed. We'll see why later. Right. So what we're going to do now is at the start, we're going to type prefix equals exclamation mark, and we're going to get rid of this and type prefix. Of course you can replace this with whatever you want your prefix to be. So this will allow us to access the prefix later, and we're actually going to do that now. So if you type an F at the start of here, then it allows us to put these curly braces, and then we can type prefix to access this that variable from above. Okay, so now what we're actually going to do is we're going to, before anything, we're going to like sort this out completely, right? So we're going to make a list of all of these pages. So we're going to do pages equals p1. There's only one for now, so we're just going to do that one. And then put try. Hold up, I'm using Word to keep track of the code that I wrote earlier, and it's messed up. There we go, that's finished it. Okay, so try try embed equals pages, and then we're going to do page take away 1. So when the user types /help 1, then it will give the first one. And the reason why we have to put take away 1 is because in Python, the first entry in this list is actually 0. So when the user types 1, they're actually trying to get to the index of 0, right, which is P1. So we put take away 0 so that it will access, we put take away 1 so that it will access the 0th entry in this list. Okay. Hope that made sense. And then we put the brackets to actually execute the command, and this will give us what we've just returned. So it will give us this embed right here, and then you can do embed.setFooter, so we can still change this embed even though we're in a completely different place, which is great. Embed.setFooter, and then we're going to set a footer that says text equals, and then we're going to do this F again, right? And then put quotes. So you're going to put use prefix help, and then I'm going to say 1, 2. It's going, okay. What we're going to do is we're going to have this count the amount of pages in here, so that no matter how many pages, this will always be up to date. So we're going to do len. Wait, okay. So put the curly bracelet again, and then we can put len pages. So this will get the length of this list. So right now it will just say 1 to 1, but later when we add more, we'll say 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, or how many pages there are. And I did forget to mention, you can add as many of these fields as you want. So embed.add field. Say we had a purge command, right? You can do prefix purge value equals, and then put a description, but we don't have a purge command, we're just going to leave that. Great. Cool. So now we're going to send this ctx.send embed equals embed. Cool beans. Right, so ignore this error for now, just to get it off your minds. I'm going to just put this except here, and then just put ... There we go. Cool. So now we're going to add the second page. Let's do def p2. Sorry. Right. Embed equals discord.embed. Embed. Title equals __. 2 fun commands. You can call these whatever you want, by the way. It doesn't matter. And then do embed.add underscore field. And then this is where we're going to put our inspire command. Okay, my computer's lagging. Better close Steam. Yeah, so we're gonna put name equals f prefix help. And FYI, if you ever try to run this at a time where I don't run it, then it most likely will not work. So don't get scared. That's just something that just came to my mind now, because I always used to get running things before I was told to, and then get scared because there was a bug. But obviously the code's not done yet, so generates, yeah. And right, so here's an issue. I want to put these double quotes here, but usually that would mess up like the actual code. It won't work. But what we can do is we can change these double quotes for single quotes, and now we can use double quotes perfectly fine, and there'll be no issue. So generate an inspirational image. And then I'm going to return embed again. Cool. So now what I'm also going to do is, since this is a command where users are going to need to know how to use it, this help command, here I'm going to put, you can copy all of this actually, and then put this F here, and then you can type /n, and then that will make a new line, and then type and then just paste that. Yep. Okay. And then actually in front of that put usage. And then you know what, you can put backwards back quotes, back ticks, whatever, on either side, but inside this quote. Sweet. Okay. And then just add p2 to the list as well. Right. So now what you want to do is, if a user types a number, then actually, you know what, we can try this out. Okay, so I was trying to run it, but it's not working, and I don't know why, so I'm just going to finish this up and ignore that. There's really not much left to add. Now, all we need, we're going to want to add embed equals pages, page brackets, embed set underscore footer. So it's, you know what, we can just copy the previous and paste it, because it's going to be very similar. Oh, mouse is a bit messed up. Okay, and also we're going to want to put except index error. So that will only do this if the user puts a number that isn't in this list. Right, so now instead of setting this footer, we're going to set a footer that says wait, no, sorry. So now we're going to give the user the first page, which is 0. And we're going to, instead of putting this message, we're going to say there was an error. Here is the first page. Cool. And also we can set the default to 1. So if the user doesn't specify a page, then it will automatically give them the first one. Nice. Infinite power. So I'm going to run this. It should be working flawlessly. Right, running. Help 1. Cool! And then help 2. Okay. I accidentally put 1 instead of 2. That's an easy fix. Restart that. Nice. Help. If I put random help, then it will give me the first. If I put help, that's a number that definitely isn't in there. It's going to say there was an error. Here is the first page. And if I type help 2, it's going to give me this and another error. Sorry. Instead of inspire, I put help. I'm tired, okay? But you can't judge me. Nice. Help 2. Help 1. Nice. So all our commands are inspire, help, and those are all our commands. I hope you guys enjoyed that slightly complicated one. If there's anything you don't understand, or if there's any issues, feel free to comment about it. And you can support me on Fiverr by hiring me. I make Discord bots. I make custom Discord bots there. And I'll see you in the next one.